What's up guys, today's video is on the top 5 best low deflection cues under $300 available on the market. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers, so whether it's price performance or its particular use. We've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box below which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and remember to subscribe. Now let's get started with the top 5 picks. Number 1. CUESOUL 57-inch 1/2 Maple Pool Cue Stick. The CUESOUL Pool Cue may be the most expensive model on our list, but we feel that it is more than worthy of its higher price tag, albeit still very cheap. This cue measures 57 inch in length and is available in weights from 19 ounces to 21 ounces. Each of these weights also includes color customization, so you have a good deal of choice. Made from North Canadian hard maple wood, it's high quality and robust. The stainless steel joint also ensures straightness, as there's nothing worse than using a wonky cue. As for the tip, it's 13 mm and made from leather, just as you'd expect. The product is one of the best pool cues under $200, and it is one of the most affordable ones on our list. With a quality product deliverable on time, and even early in some cases, although the warranty isn't backed by a lifetime limited warranty, it is still high quality and deserves to be backed by a guarantee. Our main issue with this cue relates to its appearance rather than performance. It sports skull artwork with "Rock the World" text printed on the shaft. Undoubtedly, this will not appeal to everyone, it's certainly not to my taste. Nevertheless, some may like it, and the importance of looks pale compared to performance. Number 2. AB Earth 2-piece 58-inch Pool Cue. Regarding style, the AB Earth Pool Cue takes that title, no questions asked. Outer Space inspired the design and is painstakingly hand-painted with shiny oil paints, no cheap decals here. The blue version really caught our eye, but you can also pick it up in 3 other colors and in a further 2 versions. These feature a dragon and scorpion design. The immediate allure of this cue extends beyond just its paint job. Unlike almost all other cues, it does not feature a straight butt exterior. Rather, it uses a wavy ergonomic grip. This gives you a much firmer hold when grasping the cue, and it doesn't wear or unravel as linen wraps do. In terms of composition, the AB Earth Cue is made from Canadian hard maple wood, so you can be certain that it will perform and last a long time. The shaft is medium deflection, which is a good fit for players of intermediate ability. The only drawback we could find is the cue tip. Made from leather and measuring 13 mm, it has no trouble performing but is not that resilient. It may need replacing earlier than you expect. Number 3. TaiBA Cues a 2-piece Pool Cue Stick. If you're looking for the ultimate bang for your buck, this pool cue and amp case combo by TaiBA is the way to go. This combo deal also includes a set of joint protectors. How sweet is that? The shaft of the cue is made from 100% grade hard Canadian maple wood, which is the wood of choice for most pool cues as it's super strong, durable, and resists warping. On top of the cue sits a 13 mm multi-layer leather tip. Multi-layer tips tend to last longer and provide better consistency. There are 12 different color options to choose from if you're not a fan of red and black. Each option features beautiful painted graphics and is finished with 9 layers of varnish to protect from dents, dings, and scratches. It also protects the cue from moisture and warping. On the butt of the cue, you'll notice a solid black leather wrap. Leather is a great wrap option as it's comfortable, provides a great grip, and helps increase power and accuracy. It also holds up well over time. The included 1x1 leather case is perfect for keeping your cue safe while on the go and features an adjustable shoulder strap. There's also a small zippered pouch which is perfect for storing small accessories. All in all, this combo deal by TaiBA is great for anyone who needs a quality beginner pool cue, with a case and joint protectors to boot. Number 4. Pathline Pool Cue Stick. As one of the best value pool cues under $40, the Pathline cue has a lot to like. It's made from hard maple wood like the rest and has a fancy design that you can pick up in 6 different colors. The tip is also very high quality. It's made up of two types of treated pig skins, red and black. By incorporating two layers into the tip as opposed to one, it is much more durable and less likely to mushroom. Moreover, the fiber ferrule is enhanced, so it can hold strong against powerful impacts such as breaking. 58 inches cue stick made from hand-selected quality Canadian maple wood with wrapless handle. 13 mm professionally laminated cue tip, shaped and pre-scuffed, you can use it as soon as you get it. 5/16 by 18 joint, resulting in a compact, solid hit. The drawback to this cue is its quality control. Several buyers received their cues with parts unvarnished, which is a very large oversight. This makes using such cues almost unplayable. However, this is only for a small proportion of buyers, so it's an issue only a select few will face. Number 5. Viper Desperado 58-inch Billiard Cue. The Viper Desperado is definitely one of the best pool cues for the money. As mentioned about the first Viper pool cue on the list, Viper cues are made by GLD Products. They make a variety of billiard-related equipment and are based out of Muskego, Wisconsin. The shaft of the Viper Desperado is constructed from high-quality Canadian maple wood, which is the wood of choice for most pool cue shafts as it's strong and durable. The shaft is topped off with an upgraded 13 million Sierra Leonean Leones Pro leather tip, designed to hold its shape longer and provide more consistent play. At the joint of the cue, you'll notice the stainless steel collar. Stainless steel collars provide great shot feedback and an overall better shot feel. Not only that, they look amazing. The butt of the cue features intricate laser engraved artwork along with several wood and onyx inlays which are nicely accented by the stainless steel rings along the forearm. And the 9 coats of varnish applied help protect the cue from dents, dings, and scratches, as well as warping. This cue is fitted with a 100% genuine leather wrap for a perfect grip. The Viper Desperado is available in 18 to 21 ounces weights and features an adjustable weight bolt system that allows you to change the weight of your cue quickly and easily. This is a great feature and one that I really like about Viper cues. If you enjoyed this video, then like this video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.